Enchanted Journals. Today I'm going to take you through my new journal, which I've named Amelia, and just discuss how I go about doing it. Here we go. So, what did I use? Well, book pages, just taken from a children's storybook. Nothing brilliant. I got a child's skirt that had these cute little layers on it. I just really love this fabric. It's really pretty. So I used that. And then I used the half a doily. So I just chopped it in half. And then that goes around as your cover. Bits of lace. Some wadding. I used wadding in this one. So that's pretty good. And then make your pages up. You just need, lots of different things like notebooks or, sorry about the shake in the camera there, notebooks, different pieces of paper, ledger books, other storybooks, things with different fonts on them, gardening books, anything like that will help you to make like a really great journal. I'm actually going to do a few more videos on how to make a journal. It's where my camera is not above my desk where I work, so I keep forgetting to do the filming. So yeah, anyway, that's how you make. It doesn't take much to make, is what I should say, a little journal. There's a lot of work goes into it, but there's not a lot of, you don't need a lot of expense. You can go to the secondhand shop, thrift stores if you're in America, and charity shops if you're in the UK, and just look for things and be on the lookout for different things that you can use to make a journal and have a go yourself. You can just make it just completely out of paper. I prefer a fabric cover like this one. I just find that they're pretty and they're tactile, and I love to feel them and the embroidery that's gone into them. And I mean, you can pick up these doilies for $2, I think this was. So in the US, that'd be about $1 and about £1 in the UK. And that's not expensive, and then if you muck it up, you just can start again. Like, it's not an expensive thing to do. The time is the expense, but if you really enjoy journaling, then you won't mind doing that. So yeah, I'm going to do a video of step by step, but I do have a video already of me making the start of a journal for Junk Journal July, so just look in my other videos. I always sew the cover first, because then you get a feel of what you want it to look like. You can sew all over. Just be careful to make sure that you do like the front and back covers first before you put any pockets on the inside. Otherwise you can sew them all up tight, and that's not a good thing. Next is to do any sewing that you want done in the pages. I like to do this long before I do any of the binding, because it's too hard really to do after you've done the binding. I like to put pockets in the middle of the signatures, etc., and you need to do this at this stage before you do binding. Next is doing the pamphlet stitch. So I go out through the middle, up to the top, bring it through all the way down to the end, back through to the outside, come back through the middle, and tie it in a bow nice and tight. That seems to work best for me, and I use it just about on every journal, but I just prefer that. And here she is. This is Amelia. So I'm going to do a flick through of the whole journal. I'm probably just going to put some music on now, because I don't know about you, but I like the flick throughs to be just with some music background, so here we go. And that's it. There she is, available on my Etsy shop. Thanks for watching.